G'day, I'm Jay McEwen, National Sales Manager for Tradesales, and we're just at the factory today. Behind me is one of our outdoor dangerous goods stores. This particular unit is suitable for storage of dangerous goods. Primarily, this particular unit is suitable for storage of flammable liquids. These are fully designed and engineered, fabricated in-house. One of the key features of our outdoor dangerous goods stores, they are engineered and certified for the highest wind regions through Australia. This 24 IBC storage unit is fully self-funded and ventilated in accordance with the Australian standards, which means that you're able to drop it on site, secure it with the necessary footings. Our clients need to ensure their oils and flammable liquids are stored safely and not impacting in the environment. So in the case of a spill, these units fully self-contained and are able to ensure no dangerous chemicals, no dangerous goods are spilt onto the ground and contaminate the soil. This dangerous goods store is for BHP at the Southflank mine site, and it's going to increase their capacity of their lube farm for storage of their 1,000 litre IBCs. This particular unit holds 24 IBCs, so that's 24,000 litres. It can be accessed on both sides, so there's doors down both long side, and there is forklift access to every IBC. One of the key advantages of this is it removes any manual handling of drums or IBCs. So this unit is supplied with a mid-rack, which means we can double stack the IBCs. So the mid-rack in this unit is certified for 18 tonne, which is well and above what is required for the 12 IBCs that will be stored on there. One of the advantages of these units as well is it removes any requirement for concrete bunded areas, external racking, which, as we know, on a mine site or in a remote area, concrete is extremely expensive. Although you do have some footing detail with these, it's minimal compared to doing a large concrete bunded area. So with our range of outdoor dangerous goods stores, we have them available from 1,000 litre capacity right through to 32,000 litre capacity. So that is either one pallet or IBC right through to 32 pallets or IBCs. We fabricate all our units here in Australia according to the relevant standards. So we can generally turn one of these units around in around 6 to 8 weeks.